Welcome to today's video, how to start an AI business with $0 in 2025, step by step. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business, but thought you needed a lot of money to begin, this video is for you. I'll show you exactly how you can launch a profitable AI business in 25 without spending a single dollar. First, we'll talk about why 2025 is the perfect year to start. AI tools are becoming more powerful, easier to use, and many of them are free. This means you can start right now with zero investment. Step 1 is choosing your niche. Think about problems that businesses or individuals are facing today. For example, automating customer support, creating content faster, or analyzing data. AI can solve these problems, and people are willing to pay for it. Step 2 is picking the right tools. There are free AI tools available for writing, image creation, video editing, chatbots, and automation. You don't need to code or buy expensive software. You just need to know how to combine these tools to create value. Step 3 is building a simple offer. Package your AI skills into a clear service. For example, setting up an AI chatbot for a local business, automating social media posts, or creating marketing content with AI. Keep it simple and results focused. Step 4 is finding clients. You can start on freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, reach out through cold emails, or promote your service on social media. Remember, you don't need hundreds of clients. Just 1 or 2 can help you get started. Step 5 is scaling. Once you have a proven offer and a few clients, you can start automating your workflow with AI tools, create standard processes, and even turn your service into a digital product or subscription model. By following these steps, you can go from zero to running your own AI business in 2025, all without any upfront cost. So if you're ready to take action, start experimenting with free AI tools today. Create your first offer and go get that first client. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more AI business tutorials. Let's dive right in.